Learn with Abaan.
A for ant.
A for ant.
B for butterfly.
B for butterfly.
C for cat.
C for cat.
D for dog.
D for dog.
E for elephant.
E for elephant.
F for fish.
F for fish.
G for giraffe.
G for giraffe.
H for horse.
H for horse.
I for iguana.
I for iguana.
J for jellyfish.
J for jellyfish.
K for kangaroo.
K for kangaroo.
L for lion.
L for lion.
M for monkey.
M for monkey.
N for narwhal.
N for narwhal.
O for octopus.
O for octopus.
P for panda.
P for panda.
Q for quill.
Q for quill.
R for raccoon.
R for raccoon.
S for sheep.
S for sheep.
T for tiger.
T for tiger.
U for unicorn.
U for unicorn.
V for vulture.
V for vulture.
W for walrus.
W for walrus.
X for xylophone.
X for xylophone.
Y for yak.
Y for yak.
Z for zebra.
Z for zebra.
Thank you for watching.